Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Heather Tech. Today we have a new video. It is regarding how to configure the FTP server. Okay, and in the next video I will show you how you can find the password and how you can attack on the FTP to find the password. Okay, so please watch this video till end. You will learn a lot. So let's start our video how we can configure the FTP server. Okay, first we will make one folder. Okay, this folder I will name it FTP. Okay, FTP, and then we need to go to the control panel. Click here. You will find, just write control panel. Okay, control panel, click here, go to the control panel. These are the small icon. Just keep it as it is. So we have different option. If you will see here, different options are available. Just small icon. Okay, after the small icon, just click it on programs and features. Okay, once you will click on programs and features, then you need to click on window turn window feature on and off. Click here. Okay, it will take some time and it will open another window. Okay, so then you need to find this option, FTP option. Okay, in the FTP you need to select this one and this one. Okay, so these two options you need to select. Okay, once you will select, press OK, and then those feature will be installed. So I already installed, just I show you the steps. Okay, then go to the control panel, go to the administrative tool. Okay, in the administrative tool, so you need to find out the IIS server. Okay, so this is the IIS server. Okay, so this is the IIS server. Okay, and in the IIS server you need to create the site here. So this one already done. So now what I will do, I need to configure the FTP server. Just right click. Okay, so if here you can create the FTP server, add FTP site. Okay, in the FTP site you can write anything. So I will say Heather Tech. Okay, so you can write anything, and this is a name, Heather Tech. Okay, and the physical path, what physical path you can give. So you can give this physical path. Okay, so you need to add this, the folder which you have created on your desktop. So just give this physical path. Okay, go to the desktop. Okay, this is the FTP. Okay, so just click on the FTP folder and OK, and click next. Okay, and assign IP. So what is the IP address of your computer? Okay, so let me check the IP address. I will go to the CMD and IP config. Okay, click IP config. So you will find this is the IP address of my computer. Okay, and I copy this one, 115. If you will see here, it is 115. So I will take this 1.115, and for the time being we need no SSL, but in a production network you require a SSL certificate. So this is for the testing purpose. You can just write no SSL. Okay, then click next. Okay, and here you have two options available, anonymous authentication and basic authentication. So for the time being, for this practical purpose, I will use a basic authentication, all user, specific user. So I will add the user. I have a user admin. Okay, and you can see here, if you will come and see here, this admin, this is the user. I'm going to give the permission. Okay, so come to the admin. So admin user, read and write. Okay, then click finish. Okay, and this user is added here. Now we need to go to the we can create one more user, and we can just wait. We can create one more user. and we can add in the FTP server. Okay, before going to create the user in Windows 10, so I will just show you how you can. Okay, let me create the user first. Okay, let me create the user first. How we can create the user? Go to the setting. Okay, and this window will open account. Okay, then family and other user, click it here. After that, add someone else to this PC, add user. Okay, so click on this option, and it will take some little bit time, and after that, so we don't have the email and the phone, so I don't have this personal sign in information. Just click here, and it will take some little bit time. So get a new email address, no. Without, add a user without a Microsoft account, yes. Okay, now here, who is going to use this PC? Username, we can say Heather Tech. Okay, and we will use, so this is my username, Heather Tech, and the password, so I will use this password. Okay, and secret question if you need. Okay, if secret question, you need to add what is your pet name. Okay, so add some security question to what is your city name, we can say Sohar. Question number 3, what is your childhood name? Heather, I will write Heather. And all these are the security question. And now this Heather Tech is a local account. If you want to change this local account type Heather Tech to, so this is a standard user or administrator, we can also make as a administrator as well. Okay, so we created another account with the administrative privileges. Okay, so now this one done, and now we can go and here go to the FTP server, go to the properties. Okay, and security setting here, edit. So in the edit, we can add the user here. Okay, so here we have user, like we have admin is already added. Now Heather Tech. Okay, so I will add Heather Tech and check the name, it is available. Yes, it is available. I will give all, apply. Okay, done. Okay, and we need to go also go to the Heather Tech. Okay, and authentication rule. Okay, so here you can add the configuration rule, user to access the FTP site. Click here. So for the time being, this user is allowed. Okay, and we need to add one more user. Okay, so how we can add a user here? So what you need to do, so here you can add one more user. Okay, so add allow rules. Okay, and on all user, specific role or specific user. So click here, Heather Tech. Okay, and read and write permission. So now we add another user, Heather Tech as well, so it has also read write permission. Okay, now we can go to the browser, go to your favorite browser, and I will go my Firefox. Okay, and okay, before going to the Firefox, 1 minute. Okay, I will add some files inside the not now, and these are the files I'm going to add. So these files I'm going to add in my FTP servers. Okay, okay, now so many files I already added in my FTP server. Okay, and now here I'm going to access my FTP server, FTP colon and the IP address. So what is the IP address of my server? Sorry, this one, the FTP server, 192.168.1.115. So I will write 192.168.1.115. Okay, 1.115. Okay, and press enter. So sorry, FTP server, FTP server. So FTP control A, again FTP colon 192.168.168.1.115. okay, just press enter and it will ask username and password. So my username is HaidarTech and password, so I need to enter the password, and you can see I access my FTP server. So you can see by this way you can create the FTP server, add the file which you want to share within your network. So by this way you can share your file by using the FTP server. I hope this information is useful for you, and please like and subscribe this video. See you inshallah in next video. Thanks for watching.